Zimbabwe secured a dramatic 4-wicket victory over Afghanistan in the first T20I of their 3-match series at the Harare Sports Club on December 11, 2024. Chasing a target of 145, Zimbabwe reached 1-4-5-6 in the final over, with Tashinga Musekiwa scoring the winning runs. Afghanistan batted first and managed 1-4-4-6 in their 20 overs. Key contributions came from Karim Janat, 54, Taran Khan of 49, and Mohammad Nabi, 44 of 27. For Zimbabwe, Richard Nagrawa stood out with figures of 3-2-8s. In response, Zimbabwe's innings was anchored by Brian Bennett, who scored 49 runs, and Dion Myers with 32. Rashid Khan and Naveen ul Haq were Afghanistan's standout bowlers, but Musekiwa's composure in the last over sealed the game for Zimbabwe. Before starting highlights, my kind request to all of you to like and subscribe my channel, so let's start. First T20 Afghanistan tour of Zimbabwe. Afghanistan won the toss and opted to bat. 0.3. Grawa 2 Gurbaz out caught by Brian Bennett. Gurbaz charges for a loft but ends up splicing it to cover. Dangerous Gurbaz departs for a duck. Gurbaz C. Brian Bennett B. Grawa 0-3. 0.5. Grawa 2 Hazratullah Zazai 4. Wide outside off, Zazai cuts it through the gap between backward point and cover. 2.3. Brian Bennett 2 C. Declare Atal, 1 run dropped. Madhevere runs in from deep mid-wicket but fails to grab Sidicler's sweep shot. 2.4. Brian Bennett 2 Hazratullah Zazai 4. Tossed up, Zazai lofts it wide of mid-on. 2.5. Brian Bennett 2 Hazratullah Zazai 6. Massive hit straight onto the roof. Full outside off, Zazai powers it down the ground. 3.2. Trevor Gwandu 2 Sidicler Atal, out caught by Grawa. A flat hit to mid-on, and Grawa leads to take a brilliant overhead catch. Sidicler Atal C. Grawa beat Trevor Gwandu 3-5. 4.1. Grawa 2 Mohammad Ishaq out caught by Marumani. Ishaq edges to the keeper while attempting a push. Afghanistan in trouble. Mohammad Ishaq C. Marumani B. Grawa 1-5. 5.4. Muzarabani 2 Hazratullah Zazai out caught by Ryan Burl. Zazai powers aloft but Burl catches it on the second attempt at mid-on. Hazratullah Zazai C. Ryan Burl B. Muzarabani 2015 4-2-6-1. 7.4. Raza 2 Karim Janat 4. Outside edge runs past shot third man to the boundary. 9.4. Raza 2 Karim Janat 2 runs. Janat miscues a pull but places it wide enough for couple. Thus, Raza 2 Azmatullah 6. Tossed up, Azmatullah makes room and slams it straight down the ground. 10.4. Wellington Masakadza 2 Azmatullah out caught by Ryan Burl. Azmatullah miscues a loft too long on, and Burl takes it easily. Azmatullah C. Ryan Burl B. Wellington Masakadza 13-12-6-1. 12.2. Wellington Masakadza 2 Karim Janat 4. Muzarabani fumbles a simple stop at long off, turning 1 run into 4. 12.3. Wellington Masakadza 2 Karim Janat 4. Janat lofts it over extra cover, leaving no chance for the fielder. 15.2. Grawa 2 Nabi 4. Nabi pulls off the front foot and splits the gap perfectly between deep square leg and mid-wicket. 16.8. Trevor Gwandu 2 Nabi 4. Top edge over shot third man for a boundary. 16.2. Trevor Gwandu 2 Nabi 6. Juicy low full toss on the stumps, Nabi helps it over deep backward square leg. 16.5. Trevor Gwandu 2 Nabi 4. Yorker length delivery, Nabi opens the bat face to dig it wide of sweeper cover. 17. Trevor Gwandu 2 Nabi 4. Flicked through mid-wicket, poor fielding by Musekiwa converts 2 runs into 4. 17.2. Muzarabani 2 Karim Janat 4. Janat ramps over short third man as the fielding falters again. 18.2. Grawa 2 Karim Janat 1 run. 50 for Karim Janat. A gritty knock amidst misfields and miscues. 18.4. Grawa 2 Nabi 4. Slower ball lofted over extra cover, with mid-off up. 18.5. Grawa 2 Nabi out caught by Marumani. Nabi top edges a pole and Marumani takes a swirling catch. Nabi C. Marumani B. Grawa 44-27 4-5-6-1. Finally, Afghanistan scored 144 for 6 wickets. Zimbabwe batting. First over, 1.1 Mujib to Marumani 4, nicely struck. Length delivery on middle leg from round the wicket. Marumani brings out the reverse sweep first up, gets it up and over short third man for a 1 bounce for. Third over. 3.1 Mujib to Brian Bennett. 4. Poor delivery and punished. Proper long hop outside off. Brian Bennett pressed back and smacked it up and over extra cover, arching back to create elevation. Fourth over. 4.3 Azmatullah to Brian Bennett. 1 run, dropped. Full on off stump, Brian Bennett looked to drive it up and over mid-off, hit it straight to Naveen, who dropped a simple chance. Fifth over. 5.2 Rashid Khan to Dion Myers. 4. Floated full outside off. Dion Myers leans forward and drives it beautifully up and over extra cover. 5.3 Rashid Khan to Dion Myers. 4. Length delivery outside off, short and wide. Dion Myers presses back and hammers it through cover point. 8th over. 8.1 Farid Ahmad to Brian Bennett. 4. Width on off and crunched. Length delivery outside off. Brian Bennett hangs back and slaps it away through deep backward point. 9th over. 9.1 Rashid Khan to Brian Bennett. 1 run, length outside off. Brian Bennett presses back and slaps it out towards deep cover. 10th over. 10.2 Farid Ahmad to Brian Bennett. 4. Length delivery outside off, width on offer, and Brian Bennett throws his hands, slapping it through backward point. 10.5 Farid Ahmad to Brian Bennett. 1 run, length delivery on middle, hacked away towards deep square leg to bring up the 50-run stand. 11th over. 11.1 Rashid Khan to Dion Myers. 6. A drag down on middle. Dion Myers presses back and heaves it high and far over deep mid-wicket. 12th over. 12.2 Azmatullah to Brian Bennett. 4. Just short of a length on middle. Brian Bennett instinctively pulls it away, finding the gap at deep square leg. 12.5 Azmatullah to Brian Bennett. 4. Length delivery on off stump. Brian Bennett made room and heaved it down the ground, landing just short of the fielder at long on and rolling to the ropes. 13th over. 13.2 Nabi to Dion Myers, out caught by Ishaq. Length delivery on middle. Dion Myers ran down the track and swiped, top edging it straight up. Ishaq, the keeper, takes an easy catch. Dion Myers see Ishaq B Nabi 32-29 4-2-6-1. 14th over. 14.2 Naveen ul Haq to Raza. No ball. 4. A high full toss outside off. Raza slashes it past short third man. 14.2 Naveen ul Haq to Raza. 4. The free hit is dispatched. A wide Yorker attempt is pummeled down the ground. 14.3 Naveen ul Haq to Raza, out caught by Gurbaz. A stunning catch. Very full outside off. Raza shoveled it to an extra cover, where Gurbaz leapt to his right and plucked it brilliantly. Raza C Gurbaz B Naveen ul Haq 9-5, 4-2. 15th over. 15.3 Nabi to Ryan Burl. 6. Full on off stump. Ryan Burl sweeps it upishly, just clearing the ropes at deep backward square leg. 16th over. 16.1 Rashid Khan to Brian Bennett, outboard. Length delivery on off stump, pushed through quick and it kept low, uprooting off stump. Brian Bennett B Rashid Khan 49-49 4-5. 16.4 Rashid Khan to Ryan Burl, out caught by Azmatullah. Length delivery on leg stump. Burl lofted a sweep but mistimed it. Omarzai takes it at deep backward square leg. Ryan Burl C Azmatullah B Rashid Khan 10-7-6-1. 18th over. 18.4 Naveen ul Haq to Madhevere, out caught by Rashid Khan. A slower delivery full outside off. Madhevere was done by the change of pace, holding out to Rashid Khan at long off. Madhevere C Rashid Khan B Naveen ul Haq 4-7. 18.5 Naveen ul Haq to Wellington Masakadza. 4. Banged in shot. Masakadza pulls it into the gap at deep square leg. Final over. Azmatullah to Tashinga Musekiwa. 4. A slot ball full just outside off. Musekiwa slogged it into the gap at cow corner, just bouncing inside the ropes, so Zimbabwe won 4 wickets. So finally requesting you that don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.